everybody, welcome to Detoxify for Health. Tony with you here. I'm making some iced tea today. This one is, as usual, full of antioxidants and it's anti-inflammatory. So this has eucalyptus, sage, thyme, peppermint and clove. And I'm going to boil this up in some water and then add it to my jug with some lemon ice blocks. If you want a really good hit of vitamin C, just freeze some whole lemons, and once they're frozen, put them in the blender. And once they're blended, put them in the freezer in some freezer blocks, and then whenever you want a nice, refreshing vitamin C lemony hit, just chuck a couple of ice blocks in your water. It's beautiful. All right, that's my refreshing mix for today. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Till next time, my friends, be well and keep dreaming the good dream. Ciao for now.